This model I call the Muscle Man, and you can see he's got all the main muscles on him, and I'm going to go over these now. So I'm trying to do this quickly. Some of them I will have to turn the guy around. This is an anterior view, obviously. See the breast here, that's your big clue, and his face. And then this is a posterior view. So I'm going to go in the same order as your lab manual. You will see that up here is the trapezius. It forms a trapezoid shape, which is why it's called the trapezius. This is the pectoralis major muscle here. The deltoid muscle is in the shape of a Greek letter delta, which is a triangle. So you can see an upside down triangle shape here, right? So that's the deltoid. The biceps brachii is on the anterior surface of the upper arm. The triceps brachii is on the posterior upper arm. These here, look closely. You can see that the little lines, which are all the little muscle fibers, run at an angle, right? So these are the external obliques. Oblique means angle. They're on the external surface of the abdomen and they run at an angle. So they are called the external obliques. The rectus abdominis muscles are the six-pack muscles, and those fibers run straight up and down. Rectus means erect or straight up and down. So it's really like an 8-pack, not a 6-pack. And the latissimus dorsi is this big, broad muscle of the back right here. And then on the legs, we've got the quadriceps femoris on the anterior thighs. So this is the anterior side. You can only see 3 of the quadriceps femoris. 1, 2, 3. So the 3 obvious muscles on the anterior thigh are the quadriceps femoris. There's another one underneath here, but you don't need to worry about that. I just know that quad means 4, so it would be confusing to you if I didn't tell you that. On the posterior thigh are the biceps femoris, which is one of the hamstring muscles, in case you're familiar with that term hamstring already, but let's call it biceps femoris in this class. The gastrocnemius is the big runner's muscle, I always call it. It is the calf muscle. There are 2 heads to it, so both of these are the gastrocnemius. And on the anterior side of the lower leg is the tibialis anterior, which is on the anterior side of the tibia. So that might be the easiest muscle to find because of its name. This muscle that starts on the lateral thigh and moves to the medial lower leg is the sartorius. So here is the sartorius. And on the back, the gluteus maximus is the largest muscle in the gluteal region, which is the buttocks. And then finally, the face. You've got a couple to know in the face. The orbicularis oris is a circular muscle. I'm trying to get them close. I've got the phone on my phone on a tripod. Okay, so it's a circular muscle around the mouth. It forms the lips. And then the orbicularis oculi is a circular muscle around the eye. See? When you contract the orbicularis oculi, you just close the eyelids. When you contract the orbicularis oris, then you just close the mouth or make a kissing motion if you do it really hard. And that is all the muscles you need to know.